Making a lick mat for Echo. Usually when I show the super feedy slow feeder, I focus on the bowl part of it, and I thought it would be good to show the lick mat since it's one of my favourite features of it. Especially since the lick mat is reversible, so you have two sides, and the scale side is definitely my favourite, and I find it very enjoyable to decorate. Enrichment doesn't have to be pretty to be effective, it's just something that I enjoy doing. So for this lick mat, I'm using a base of goat's milk, and the colourings I used are butterfly pea powder, beetroot powder, and wheatgrass powder. For the toppings, I'm using dehydrated crumbs of different treats, so this is things like liver, lung, and kidney treats that I grind up. She's also got some tomato and zucchini powder that I've made, and bee pollen. Finishing it off with Ascophyllum nodosum seaweed for dental health and her usual joint supplements, plus this hemp seed oil with lion's mane mushroom in it. The rest of the toppings, she's got some spinach, avocado and kale, a bit of broccoli and cucumber, some orange, fresh garlic and ginger, some pink dragon fruit, a pig snout, some corn silk, dandelion and green tea flowers, and finally a kangaroo ear.